I'm going to show you how easy it is to change your combination on your Sentry safe. It's a 3-number dial combination. It's really simple to do. So first you need to know your original combination and open this thing up. And once you open it up, just get you a screwdriver and take these 4 screws out. So you got 1 on each corner. So we're going to go ahead and take these screws out. And once you remove all 4 screws, just set them over to the side and you pull your lock down like you open it and go ahead and slide this little cover off. It's a little plastic cover. So now you can get to the mechanisms there. So you see right there where those 3 slots is where that bar slides right in the middle of them. They need to be lined up together. So that's the original combination. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this. You don't have to do that. That's just my original. So I can set it back once I finish showing you guys how to change the combination. But what you wanna do, you see how that slides in there? So that's the original combination. What you wanna do is push this in. It's a little spring and you turn this. You can't turn it to the first one because that other, it'll be lined up with that little slot. You don't want that to happen. So you just go on to the next one. So it's like 4 different combinations and you can't set your own combination. They come preset with these numbers. So once you line it up, this is how you identify your numbers. The first thing what you want to do is turn it counterclockwise. So the counterclockwise, you got to do it at least 3 times. You can go 4, 5, or 6 on the first one. So you keep turning it on the first one. So the first combination, you want to just keep turning. And once that slot lines up with that bar, you see it right there, the ones that's closer to those screws, that black piece right there. See, it's lined up with that bar. So once it's lined up, you can go and look at the front and find your first combination. See how it's lined up with the bar? So your first number is 20. And you got a plus or minus 1 or something like that. So it could be 18, 19, or 20. So it's 20. And then the next one, you're going to turn it clockwise, pass the number 1 time and stop on it the 2nd time. So you can go ahead and start turning it, and you want to look on this back side. And you see the 3rd one is turning. Once that thing hits the 2nd one, it's going to start turning. It has to go around twice. As you can see, the 2nd one have started turning. Once it lines up with that first one that's closer to that black piece, that would be your next number, which was a 0. And now you're going to turn it counterclockwise 1 time. So you got to be careful on this one. Just start turning it slow. I'm going to just show you right there, and then I'm going to show you on the back side because you're going directly to the number. And if you look here on the back side while you turn it, you see that 3rd one lined up. So now all 3 of them is lined up. So that 3rd number would be 15. And like I said, you got a plus or minus 1. So the combination is 20, 0, 15. So I'm going to scramble this up and show you how it works. So I just put it on 0. So we're going to go counterclockwise. So we're going to go past 20 3 times, minimum 3 times. And you can go 4 or 5. So you stop on the 20 and pass the 0 once and stop on it the 2nd time. And then go straight to 15. And there you go. The combination is open. So let's close it and try it. So we're going to scramble these numbers up. So we know our combination is 20, 0, 15. This is a new combination. So like I said, you can go counterclockwise as many times as you want, but you want to go a minimum of 3 times. So we're going to go to the 20. Then we're going to go 0. We're going to pass it once and we're going to stop on the 2nd time. 0. And then we're going to go straight to 15. There you go. It's unlocked. And that's all to it. It's that simple. So like I said, I made a mark and made sure that I had the combination. I put it back to my original combination. But we're going to try this one more time so you can see that it do work. So like I said, on the first one, you can go counterclockwise as many times as you want, but you got to do a minimum of 3. So we're going to pass 20 3 times or stop to it on the 3rd one. You can keep turning if you want, but on the 2nd one, you got to pass the 0 once and stop on it on the 2nd one. Then go straight to 15. That's it. As simple as that. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.